in the med box, yeah. No, no, no.
And DFR name, Central.
This is pretty high, I like it. Wow, this is awesome.
Seatbelt buckle.
Should might have fallen forward. So what do you check it out?
Traffic train available, 1618 County.
Really knows. The bicyclers.
Yeah, bicyclers. Rescue 2 available territory.
Rescue 2 available in territory. Rescue 2, I have a traffic crash at Northwest 27th Avenue and 50th Street. Rescue 2.
Rescue 2 should respond.
50th Street, right? Yeah. Oh, did she go? Did she go
27 and 57.
So you just start going from
Tell the cop we're gonna go straight.
straight? Where she's at?
Yeah.
Are you gonna make it? Alright, hold on. Don't hit the horn yet.
Tell the cop we're gonna go straight.
I just don't want to blow her ears out.
Yeah, it's fine.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Oh man, it's a tight fit.
You got it, don't you? You got blames. Alright, you can turn the lights on.
I got you.
63, respond reference a 90-year-old female not feeling well. 3035 Southwest 78th Avenue. It's going to be an efficiency. 1620 Dade County. Rescue 3 and around 1621 Dade County. Did you copy the call?
Traffic was always like this, right, Cal?
Sorry?
If only traffic was always open like this.
You can get out of the truck, but stay kind of in front of the truck. Right? Is it? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You can move.
Ladder 36.
I think you're better off, Leo, making a right turn and coming from behind the station because the traffic that way is going to be it's blocked on the next one.
This connects?
Yeah, you can make a right turn here. Then you're gonna make a right and a left, then you're gonna go down. And then we gotta pass the Gustin Towers.
Right and the left?
Yeah. You can turn the lights on if you want to now.
They're on. They're on.
Oh, the lights are on already.
Yeah.
Rescue 39 available. Rescue 39 available, 1628 County.
So the gentleman that you came with to the station, is your dad?
That's my dad, yeah.
He works for a fire department?
Nope.
He just takes them around.
That's cool. Can you ride?
Yeah, you can hang a right. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Daytona Beach.
Oh, I got a friend that works for Daytona Fire.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, for the fire department. Guile from Squaw. He used to work for Jacksonville. It works for Daytona. No, that's a lie. It works for Pompano now. Sorry. Straight down, right, Captain?
Yeah, yep. You can go straight down. I don't know if 52 is going to be open, but I think it is. Looks like it's open. We'll make a right turn on 52 and a left on 27.
Right on 52.
Let's see how bad the traffic is. We might be better off going to 32nd. We make a left to 32nd, and we come back from behind it. Let's see how bad it is to the right. Yeah, it's gonna suck. So make a left here. Because everybody's...
Kids.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I forget. It's very straight.
47, you have the route? Engine 47, when 911 takes this call, this is a dual dispatch. It does require PD because of an overdose. 30-day county. Yeah, 65 40 county.
Yeah, you're good. You can make a left here. That Rumbler is fucked up. You shouldn't be doing that.
Engine 40 available, 1630.
Okay, make a right here. That's gonna bring us in front of Augusta Towers, then we go against traffic there.
Okay.
Engine 47 arrival.
And kill the sirens when we get here.
Engine 47 arrival, 1630 Dade County.
There you go.
Just make a left here?
Yeah, you can make a left, and we go against traffic there and cut 20, then we cut 54 there. Yeah.
Dade County to Rescue 7, are you able to clear at this time, Rescue 7?
Too tight.
Ladder 36 and quarter, 1631, Dade County Fire Communications, KDM 59.
Call him there.